I
question I asked you.
I
Trinity,
don't.
hold on.
Hey, 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 hey! Everybody, be quiet. Let Rain talk. Let Rain talk.
The one thing is, you people don't respect your faction admins, which is very very rude of you guys. Firstly, I asked you. This is an admit. This is an admin event in as much as it is your IRA. We literally posted this. That this you can see a notification in your IRA. So it is literally event as is the same way as our own event as well. So that is why you see admins here always here to monitor. So we don't allow just shooting anyhow. Then I was asking you, do you have a body cam? And you say you do not have a body cam. And I was still telling you, anytime you want to shoot, make sure you have your body cam. Yet you are talking to me anyhow. Don't
but
oh,
hold on, hold on, JP.
All
Hold
soldiers,
on,
all soldiers.
Alright,
hold
silence. FG's
on,
over there.
Hold on one second. Hold on one second.
Hold all
JP.
mics.
Mr. Rain,
Or I'm
Mr.
not.
this is
Rain.
an IRL
JB
event,
didn't
which
do
is an
anything.
admin
Everybody
event
hold
as well.
my.
Hey,
Whenever
everybody.
I'm speaking, do not interrupt me for no reason. JB,
Oh my
I
god,
was
I'm about.
actually correcting you for the wrong thing. You killed somebody without a body cam, and you think you did the right thing. That is very very
JB
wrong of you.
kill him. JB did not
You
kill him.
probably
Josiah did not
you
kill
Hey,
him.
Hold
probably
my.
I
Or
did
my.
not.
everybody, hold your mics.
I did
Trinity,
not
no
shoot
Stand
matter
by.
at
what
all.
anybody who killed him, I am saying anybody who killed him, then he showed that he was like he was owning it as if he killed the player. He didn't tell me he killed. It was where's her name? Brooke. It was Brooke who radioed. What's it called? Do you think I don't know what's going on? It was Brooke who radioed Josiah to come that he killed this particular player. And I was asking you, where is the body cam? You said you don't have a body cam. That's already an offense already. And all of a sudden you were raising your voice. You were telling me things that is not. Do you think I'm stupid? I don't know what I was saying when I asked you. You said I was interfering with your role in an admin in an hiring event which I'm here to monitor. Are you kidding me right now? That's not fair, to be honest.
Okay.
Negative. Be
Hey,
inside the gate, please.
hey, hold up, hold up. Keep this in mind. This ain't happening on my base. Administrator Rain, we can take this to the trees. JB Christo, you coming with me. And who else was the associated party?
I wasn't around.
All right. Well, you know what that means. Administrator Rain, follow me.
Josiah, go with them
Guys,
because you're the one that
as
shot
soon
and
as I have
killed
an
them.
event, I have an event. Sell me the
Josiah,
body
please
cam.
come.
That's all I have to say.
Hold my.
Hold your microphone.
Hold my. Please.
Okay, let me tell y'all. Regardless of the situation, y'all. Regardless of the situation, uh, even if JB, what admin was trying to tell you is,
Hey.
regardless if you right or wrong, role play or not role play, you gonna have to need a body cam because game members ain't a body cam, then you're banned. So he was trying to make sure you were covered.
Nobody cares, baby.
Okay, so that's okay. For one, with him being the admin, it wouldn't most likely be him let y'all, because at the end of the day, he's an admin. He oversees the hiring event. I saw him and another admin here the whole time. So even if they was watching, basically all he's asking you is, if the guy turns in the ticket with the whole situation, you can get banned. So all he asked you, did you have body cam? Who said you did?
Christo.
See, I get shot again.
Christo. Christo.
Body cam's
James,
on,
check this
James.
out. That's
Swede wants you. Over here.
Hey, Gam.
Well,
Unless-
SG wants him.
Where at?
Where's JB?
Christo.
JB. Hey, come over here so you don't get ran over. Hey, keep in mind, my body cam is on. Tell me your account, please. Yes. So tell me what happened from your point of view. What was the
Hey,
name of
Mr. Swade, quick question. I know I'm on vacation, but this gang member behind me shot at me, and it's been under 15 minutes, and I got everything on body cam. So, is
Please
that a free
submit it
kill?
as a green ticket. Submit a green ticket, please. Because I'm already.
Okay.
All right, for
When did I
JB,
shoot at you, Snow?
the
I didn't
name
shoot
of
at
the name
you.
of the gang member that shot at you. What was
I
his
didn't
name?
shoot at you, Snow. When did I shoot at you? I just got here.
I'm not talking about you, DC.
Oh, I was like, what the hell?
DC, can you cut your vehicle off? They're having a speaking over here. They can't hear.
Miss.
I completely understand. Keep this in mind. Yeah, I understand where you're coming from, and that the rules of engagement for gang members literally is one warning. We try to get them to comply, and then after that, they gotta go. That is
So-
literally my order to this base. That's typically how it works.
Take a deep breath.
No,
Swade, can I add something?
stand by, General Horner. I got it. With that being said, again, I completely understand. The only thing we can't do, this is what we can't do, is we can't lose our lid with the admins, and we can't lose our cool when it comes to the role play. Now, I'll be able to adjudicate this once I see it in full view, and once I deliberate with the admins to see how far we actually need to take this one. But with that being said, use the time to cool down and relax yourself, okay? As long as everything was done right, I'm happy. But keep this in mind, we have no body cam. So if the admins want to adjudicate, they will adjudicate with what they can receive. So if the other party has body cam, but you don't have body cam, then guess what? They can only adjudicate according to that. That's why I tell you guys must have body cam rolling so that these instances don't come back on y'all. Does that make sense? All right. Other than that, don't worry. A lot more of these other characters, they're gonna try to piss you off, set you off, talk a whole bunch of trash to you. It happens, and there will be many more failed role plays that you're gonna have to deal with. Remember, conduct yourself as a professional at all times, and it will get you through. Plus, at the end of the day, guess what you can do with that body cam that's on? You turn it in, and guess what? They ain't got nothing to say at that point, do they?
Sorry.
Okay. Other than that, you're good to go. Go ahead, resume your post on the gates. I got a little bit of talking to do.
Mr. Swade, if I can
I
add
have
something.
body cam, but it doesn't show the interaction of them. All it shows is the macros.
That's perfect. Send that up.
Send it up, please, ma'am.
Because if
So the
macros were
part with
taking
the
place,
macros.
send it up.
That
Alright,
helps
let me
cover
turn
our
it
charges.
off. Let me turn it off and then restart it.
Okay. All right. Good to go. Yeah,
Yeah, it's fine.
that's fine. As long as Mr.
DC
Vance.
Vance.
How can we
Hold
help
up.
you, sir?
Hold on, mics. Hold on,
I got
mics.
something
Hold on.
leave real quick and then I'll leave.
Mr. Vamps, listen to me very closely. And I'm gonna say this only once. You are a gang member on my base. Yes, you are still. Hold up. You are still on the perimeter of my base. If my soldiers give you one warning, that's your free to go. After that, you go to HP. You must not read the rules. I suggest you go back and read those rules on the main forum when it comes into concept from literally one of the moderators who posted the new army rules, which y'all come into this base.
I'll read them again, but I'm not here to argue. I just came to say something real quick. Yeah, when I came over earlier, I didn't know what's going on. I logged on and I happened to log on the mountain area because I was already here. Seen you guys, I just shot. I didn't know anything was going on, so please don't submit shit about me. I didn't mean it, it was just normal roleplay.
Hold on. Let Mr. Vamps talk. Let him talk. Let him talk.
No, I wasn't in the truck. I was in the Lambo over there. Yeah, but I think it was one of the, I was over here.
Mr.
Actually, hold on. Let me check my body cam because I think that is the same guy. Because I got a body cam of your Lambo driving off after we shot at you.
Yeah, down there, but then somebody told me that you guys were having an event. That's why I came back over here to confirm what the fuck was going on because I'll get in trouble. No, a girl killed me. That was like up there on the hill.
All right, keep this in mind. Keep this in mind. We really don't have the time to deliberate since we are technically still